Hey guys, happy Sunday. My name is Bonnie Palmer. I'm a realtor with the Davis Agency. Welcome to my virtual open house. Today I'm in South Austin in the Zilker neighborhood, 78704, and I'm hosting an open house on a new build by Set Studio. This is actually 2 homes on 1 lot that can be sold together or separately. We're going to start our tour here in the larger home, which is coming in at just over 2,300 square feet. It is 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Let's have a look.
All right, guys, we're actually going to start our tour of Frazier Avenue coming right in through the main entrance. This is Unit A of 1903 Frazier. Again, we are in South Austin, Zilker neighborhood, 78704. This is a new construction. Right now, you're having a look at the main level of the home, which is the living space and the kitchen. The French doors that are going to slide open and give you this gorgeous outdoor living space here. There is actually room on the lot to put a pool if you want, and I always recommend it. For any of you who might be watching the video from outside of Texas, it's hot here. Beautiful kitchen. We've got the brushed bronze finishes, Southstone countertops, Thermador appliances, Sub-Zero refrigerator, gas burner on the stove, love that. And now I've backed myself into the corner so you can see from the other direction how big and open this space is. Nice clean lines. We've got a walk-in pantry right here off the kitchen. And this other door is going to take you out to the garage. You do have an attached 1-car garage here. I can pretty much guarantee you that by the end of this tour I'm going to be out of breath. This first home is sitting at about 2,300 square feet and it is 3 stories. We're going to head up to the second level. I briefly explained in the introduction that these homes are available for sale together or separately. This is again the larger of the 2 homes. This is the guest bedroom on the second level. Every bedroom in both houses does have an ensuite bathroom. Got your little closet over here in the corner. Back out into the hallway, and the next door is going to take us into the master bedroom. Look at those windows. This house has a very generous amount of natural sunlight coming in from all directions. Frameless shower doors. It's a really big shower with the dual shower heads. You guys know I love a shower that's big enough for a party, and that one certainly is. We've got a private water closet here, the dual vanities, and listen, some places boast dual vanities just because they put 2 sinks in, but this really gives you tons of space for each person to spread out. Isn't that fantastic? And then we've got our walk-in closet right here. Built-in shelving, very high quality finishes throughout. Tile on the floor in the bathrooms, but the rest of the home is going to have solid hardwoods. All right, at the end of the second level hallway, you've got your laundry closet, stackable space, very European. Let's go on up to this third level. This is really one of my favorite features of the whole home, is the third level here. Great flex space. You could do whatever you want with this. I think I would like to see maybe a yoga studio in here. Something very zen, because it feels kind of like you're up in the trees. And then you do have another bedroom on this level. Extra storage in the attic space for those Christmas decorations. Halloween costumes, your ensuite bath, and this does have yet another walk-in closet. Ceilings are a little bit low in here, so you just want to keep that in consideration. I don't know that it would work well for a master, but it's gorgeous. Massive windows. Look at these trees. It is a pretty time of year here in Austin. All right, so this is home number one. Again, 2,300 square feet, 3 bedrooms, plus that flex space on the 3rd level, 3.5 bathrooms. I'll take you down just to have one more peek at this fabulous kitchen. And then we're gonna head on to the second home. Alrighty, now we're gonna go into Unit B, which is directly behind Unit A. You do have this shared drive here. That's the only common area. So while they may be deeded like condos, these are standalone single-family residences. And this one is the smaller of the 2 units. This is 950 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. All the same beautiful finishes that you saw on the first unit, but less than half the size. Way less maintenance. You still have your attached 1-car garage, which is great. Your half bath. Pantry here. Little galley kitchen. Let's pop upstairs and have a look at the bedrooms. This one makes for a great roommate floor plan because the bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bathroom, are mirrors of one another. And just across the hall, you've got the same thing. So no one has to fight over who gets which room. So what we see in Austin a lot of times with these 2 units on one lot is that someone will buy the main house for themselves to live in and then utilize the smaller second home either for an office, for out-of-town guests to stay in. Sometimes they rent it out. And as far as short-term rentals go, when you're living in a space that only has the 2 homes, you have fewer people to agree to short-term rentals. So it's easier to handle that. All right, guys, it's Sunday. This is the end of my virtual open house tour. We're gonna head back into the main house. I appreciate you all staying tuned. If you do want to come and see it in person, you're welcome to. Bring your mask. I'll be here till 4 o'clock. And if you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me.